And then came winter overnight. The roses died and joined you in your flight. But yesterday we planned the future bright. And now, winter overnight. Then came stormy skies of gray. You said goodbye and took the spring away. But yesterday we shared in its delight. And now, winter overnight. Lilac trees were in their glory. Violets were peeping through. We were sharing love's old story in a moonlit rendezvous. And then came words that stole the light. The birds above were silent in their fright. But yesterday we planned the cottage white. And now, winter And then came words that stole the night. The birds above were silent in their fright. But yesterday we planned the cottage white. And now, winter overnight.